Hey guys, it's Jordan with Master Blend. I wanted to talk with you today about 4 of our excellent pre-sprays. I want to start off with Redline powdered pre-spray. This is great for commercial and residential carpets. It has a pH of 10, so it's safe for your stain-resistant nylons. It's packed with enzymes, powerful detergents that are going to break down traffic lane soil, protein soils from food and drink, and it rinses excellent from the carpet. It's a super great product for you and your business. Super cool thing about Redline is it is actually powerful enough to go straight from carpet cleaning to tile and grout cleaning. Porcelain, ceramic, no problem. You're going to be able to mix this up at about 2 ounces per gallon of hot water. Apply this with a flat mop. Don't go in and just start spraying the tile. You don't want to get overspray on metal or wood surfaces. You really want to be in control of where the product is going. If you haven't thought about it before, put it in a bucket, soak some flat mop heads in the bucket, and spread that around evenly. You're definitely going to want to agitate, whether it's a deck brush, a CRB, a rotary machine. Some kind of agitation is going to be required because what it's going to do is give you about that 5 to 10 minute dwell time. That should be all that you need for the product to really break down the soil. Come through with a high PSI tile spinner or tile wand and thoroughly rinse and extract that product off the tile, and you're going to see some excellent results. Next, I want to talk about Enzyme Prespray. Enzyme Prespray is our daily pre-spray that we use in our multi-truck cleaning business here in Indianapolis. It's wool safe approved, so you don't need to carry multiple products on the truck to go from synthetic carpets to wool carpets, or if you have employees, to be concerned about them using the right pre-spray for wool and the right pre-spray for synthetic. You go with Enzyme Prespray, it's going to be good for all of that. It's still aggressive on soils, protein-based soils from food and drink spills, rinses easily from the carpet. You can even use this stuff on synthetic upholstery as well. Just be sure to rinse thoroughly, but you're going to find that it breaks down a lot of those food and grimy based spots and soils on upholstery that other fine fabric pre-sprays are going to struggle to remove. With the enzyme and detergent base in this, and being that it's wool safe approved, it's one of our most versatile pre-sprays, and I don't know how we would operate every day in our business without Enzyme Prespray. You should definitely check this one out. Next is more of a specialty pre-spray. If you're like us, you've seen a major influx of Triexta, Smart Strand, and other polyester carpets coming to the market. They're cheap to put in, clients are able to put in brand new carpet, but they still have high expectations for the cleaning results that they expect you to bring. Polyester and olefin pre-spray, POP for short, is what our offering is to really attack those oil-loving polyester carpets, removing those difficult traffic lane soils, helping with the matting that polyester is so prone to, and it's really going to perform excellent for you on those polyester and olefin carpets. One cool thing about POP is it actually will help with filtration soiling. You can actually use it just for filtration soiling. If you don't see a lot of polyester, or you got another thing that you like to use, you can use POP to help with the filtration soiling. Apply it per the label instructions, and you're going to see those filtration soils lift right off the carpet. It's pretty amazing stuff. And the last pre-spray I want to talk to you guys about is our anti-allergen pre-spray. Now this is a part of our Responsible Care line of products. It's hypoallergenic, it's formulated with no VOCs, no solvents, no phosphates, no dyes, and no perfumes. It's derived from renewable plant-based resources. This is going to be a great option for clients or cleaners with sensitivities, things like asthma, chemical sensitivities, or you just want to use something that's better for the environment. Anti-allergen pre-spray is going to be able to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs, whether it's carpet, upholstery, wool carpet. It is wool safe approved. It's an excellent all-around cleaning product, and if you haven't checked out the rest of the anti-allergen and responsible care line, check out another one of our videos where we are able to detail out the entire line and how it can work for you and your business as an opportunity to have a new upsell opportunity with your clients. And thank you guys for checking out this video. We are here to help you and your business grow. If you ever have any questions about any of our products or cleaning in general, we are here to help you guys. Reach out to us, masterblend.net, or comment below, and we would love to assist you guys. Thanks again for checking out the video. We'll see you next time.